Hello, today I will demo how to use conditional breakpoint for the Camel debugger, Camel Route debugger inside VS Code. So it is available with the latest release 0.3.0. So the first thing, it is available for XML, YAML, and Java files. So how I can set a breakpoint? So here I can right-click in the column and there is an add conditional breakpoint, and here I can enter an expression. So the expression that I can enter is Camel simple language one. So yeah, I copy paste because to make the demo I will simply add it also after here. So I said that it is the Camel simple language. So for that there is the simple language page. What is interesting to know is that you have a bunch of variables that are available. So here there is a body that I'm using, but there is quite a lot of others, including some headers that can be really useful. And there is for the operator, the description of which operators are available. So quite a lot. So if I go back to my editor, so we can see that I used a simple Camel simple language to set the breakpoint. So here I will launch the Camel application and use the debug with Gbunk, so it will start my Camel application and also connect the Camel debugger automatically. And what we will see is that this breakpoint will not be it, and this one will be it, because here the body is null, and after we are setting the body, so we are stopping only on the other one. So here it is how we can configure conditional breakpoint inside VS Code. It is also the same mechanism in other IDE, given that it was implemented as a debug adapter level. So I hope you can enjoy it.